Before we do the first exercise, I want to let you know that I'm going to be your mirror image, or Antonio will be. So we're going to always start with this leg, which will be your right leg. So please just copy us as you see us. All right, so we're going to begin. Let's start in first position, as we do in my beginner class. Okay, and your arms are in second, and you shift your weight, and you have your point tendu to fourth. So we're going to begin taking a step forward. This is the first thing we want to work on. So let's make a little plie, and then you dégagez this leg so it's in the air, so you can step farther, all right? So you're going to step, and now press down, put your weight in your foot. Now you're going to make a fondu on this leg. You're going to plie. So I want you to grip with the foot as well, all right? So I can feel the muscles in my leg bending. And I'm going to try to drag this toe so it's right next to that heel. And then I'm going to make a little développé. I'm going to come out of it and point. So that's your first movement. Plie, once more. So try to think of reaching, stepping, now push down, and then you're going to stretch up as you plie, right? The knee going over the toe, you can feel your muscles engage, and here comes this développé, and you push down and come up, and you rest. That's the first two steps. Now we do again. We're going to step forward once more, and this time we're going to plie in arabesque, because we want you to walk back, right? So you're going to step back, and passe par terre, step back, make a little tournier, plie in fourth, come up, point your tendu. Now bring your arms up because we're going to stretch. Let's go down. And you can roll up and round your back and stretch. And then you will repeat it. Forward, 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 arabesque, come back, come back. So you want to always keep your ears up and back on your shoulder. You want your shoulders back and down. You want your hips up and forward. You need these muscles all the time. With each step you take, put your weight down onto the floor. Yeah, push it down and then stretch up as you plie. All right, Antonio is going to show you the exercise. So the music is a 4/4. There are 4 beats to each movement. And you begin, 1, plie, and you push. And again, 1, good. 8, good, push and rest. Then you take a step forward. Now you make an arabesque and walk back, back, right, and arms up, and then take a nice stretch. Good, and up, okay, and we begin again, and so you want to think about this shoulder over the toe, good, and always connecting your shoulder to the toe. There's your knee. Good. And then as you stretch into the arabesque, you want to keep your head up. You want to keep your chest up. Reach. Good. And you can breathe out. You can exhale. Good. And we do it again. Then you can feel your balance with your arms as well. Good, and you'll have a long neck, a high chest. And you want to think about turning out this back leg. Steady. Up. Good, and use your stomach muscles. Up. Good, and feel your balance. And you know your legs are turned out. Like the tops of your legs turned out. Good. And press. Good. And turn it out. Good. Right. Good. Now try to stretch your plie here. And plie, 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 plie. Right. Go. Right. Good. Good. Up. Good. And you can close in first and just rest. Good.